What's up guys, this is Victor Kid with my first weather video forecast ever. Now this morning this region received more snow than we expected. Originally we expected 1 to 2 inches, but we received 3 to 6 in most of the area. This map indicates the amount of snow across the region and the whole country as of 7 a.m. this morning. Here is a picture of the current infrared satellite imagery showing the storm that we had this morning is now in Maine, spinning right to the northeast to southeastern Canada, and right behind the storm is another little disturbance moving through the Midwest that will bring us freezing rain or plain old rain for regions to the south and east of the Philadelphia metro area. Now today we received temperatures in the upper 40s. Here's a better picture of the storm this morning, moving right to the northeast, and the storm behind it moving straight to the east. And for the next couple of days we are expecting temperatures to reach in the 50s, mainly the lower 50s, and each night we are supposed to reach temperatures in the freezing range from 29 to 32 degrees. Now the day that I'm most concerned on is Friday, because that is the warmest day, yet at the same time a chance of severe thunderstorms. Now this map shows you the flow of the wind on Friday morning. The arrow is pointing north. That means the winds are coming from the south and the southeast at around 10 miles per hour. And as the day progresses, the winds become stronger and they pull against each other, causing wind shear. Now when you have a lot of wind shear, it means that you have a cold front sitting in the Midwest, and then you have a warm front coming up from the southeast, colliding with two air masses. Okay, so this is Friday morning and this is Saturday. Friday morning shows that you have wind ripping from the southeast and you have cold air ripping from the northwest. The closer the ice, these are called isochores, the closer they are, the stronger the winds. So as they move east, they cause severe weather such as thunderstorms and possible isolated tornadoes. On top of that, since there's still so much snow cover from the previous snowstorms these midwestern and northeastern states received, you could receive hail and damaging winds on top of the snow. The temperatures will be greatly differentiated between the cold front and the warm front. The mid-Atlantic states will be getting temperatures ranging from 60 degrees to 70 degrees, and behind the cold front we will be receiving temperatures between 25 and 32 degrees. The dent in the warm air and indentation of the cold air up here indicates that there is a spin of a low pressure system heading northeast. On Saturday, the cold air tries to take over as the warm air recedes. Now at this time you'll still have a good possibility of thunderstorms in the mid-Atlantic and especially in the northeast, but the farther south you go with the more humid air and the warmer air, the higher chance you will have a chance of an isolated tornado. And the last thing is, this is a GFS model showing that the heavy precipitation all along the cold front where the warm and the cold air collide with each other. And this map indicates the amount of wind shear on Friday afternoon. The blue shaded area indicates all the wind shear that will be happening during Friday, and the darker the blue, the higher the wind shear and higher possibility of stronger storms in that area. So therefore we have a greater chance of having hail and damaging winds and isolated tornadoes in the southeast and parts of the mid-Atlantic states. As the weekend continues, we'll have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-50s, and next week we will return to colder temperatures. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe to the YouTube channel that I'm putting this on, and thank you Facebook fans and everywhere else around the world for supporting me.